Hi guys, I'm Chandini and we are at Sarojini Nagar today, and we're going to go around and see what exactly Sarojini has in store for us this winters. So come. So I wanted to test out if Sarojini would stay true to its magical vibe for the winter season, and I would like to say that yes, I was truly surprised. We reached Sarojini around 3 in the afternoon and the entire market was buzzing with fellow shoppers, overly enthusiastic vendors, from sweaters and overcoats to sweatshirts. Look at this one, such a cute piece, and just for 200 bucks. Cute beanies I just found. These are for 200 rupees each actually, but I'm gonna try and get the price down to I think 150. And how's this? Better than red? No? Yellow is cuter. And red? Red is the best. This one even has fleece. पर यार ये तो कुछ अजीब ही लग रहा है. Now here's a trailer of what Sarojini actually sounds like. $750. Hey, look at this. This is so cute. Wow, I want this. Do you like this? This one is for $750 exact, which I think is a good deal. Yeah. And he's willing to bring the price down even.
लो अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको अच्छा लगता है ले जाना, नहीं अच्छा लगता है.
Should I buy this?
वो शीशा लगा हुआ है.
और कोई है मेरे साइज में? ये कितने का है?
वो 500 रुपए में लगा दूंगा.
500 में दोगे? Okay. I think I am sold. Take my money. My God, Cinderella, my favorite brand.
वो साइज चाहिए तब मिल जाता है.
मम्मी ने चाहिए, इतनी मोटी है. दिखाना. वाइट भी है. बोलो मेकअप एंड मेकअप. Damn right. कैसा है? ले लूं? Scarf print is so in right now. Nice. भैया 50. इसमें 50, 10 रुपए से कम नहीं करोगे? I also found some boot stalls, and this green one was leather. I guess it's camel leather, and it was for $27.50. From thigh-high boots to calf length, Sarojini had various options, only if you're daring enough to try. And that right there is my camera shy bestie, who is also the woman behind the camera and all this amazing footage. I was truly in the market for a good trench coat. This coat bit had a lot of trench coats and overcoats. I was really into trench coat, but sadly nothing fit me right. If you're interested, this was around the graffiti wall. I was actually on a lookout for a trench coat, and I think my hunt has come to an end with this one. And this is for $850 saying. Let's see. 5, we are done. That's all for today, guys. I am super tired and heading back home now.